Sa video ito, i-explain ko po sa inyo kung paano mag-add at mag-subtract ng fractions sa pinakamadaling paraan na alam ko. Marami pang paraan na magagamit, pero para hindi po tayo masyadong mahihirapan, ito pong isang paraan na gagamitin ko ay tiyak na hindi nyo malilimutan. Unang halimbawa, 1/2 plus 1/5 is equal to ito. To get the denominator of your answer, we will multiply the two denominators. Ito yung nasa ibabang bahagi ng dalawang fractions. So we have 2 and 5. So we are going to multiply this one. And we have the denominator is here is 10. And then to get the other, all we need to do is we will multiply 1 and 5. Notice that 1 is the numerator in this fraction, first fraction, and 5 is the denominator of our second fraction. So we multiply that 1, then it is 1 times 5 is 5. Then plus, because we have here addition, we have here 1 times 2. We multiply 1 and 2 here, and we have 2. So our final answer is 7/10. Now in our next example, let's consider 1/2 plus 5/12. So we will be using the same process in which we're going to multiply the two denominators. Here, i-multiply natin yung dalawang ibabang bahagi or parte ng fractions natin. So this is 24. So that will be our denominator here, 24. And then the same process po, we are going to multiply 1 by 12 plus 5 times 2. So we have here first 1 times 12 is 12 plus 5 times 2 is 10. So this is equal to 22/24. Now, notice here that our denominators, we have 2 and 12. And 2 can be factored as 2 and 6. Hence, 2 is common to both denominators. So, if that will happen, it means that we are expecting that our answer is not in simplified form. So, in that case, we are going to simplify our answer. So, since ito yung common ng dalawang denominators, we divide both parts here by 2. So we have the answer, 22 divided by 2 is 11, over 24 divided by 2 is 12. So this is the answer to our second example. Now in the third example, let me have 4/5 minus 2/3. Now in this case, we are subtracting two fractions here, but still we will be using the same process. So we multiply the denominator to get the denominator of our answer. So 5 times 3 is of course 15. So that will be our denominator here. This is 15. Now take note, when subtracting two fractions, hindi dapat pwedeng magkabaliktad yung pagmumultiply natin. So we need to start here first, 4 times 3. Bakit? Kasi pag inuna mo to, magkakamali ka. Your answer will be wrong. So we need to start here in this process, 4 times 3. So this is 12 since we are subtracting two fractions, so we use here minus, and then we multiply 2 and 5, so it is 10. So here, 12 minus 10 is 2 over 15. So that's it. Now, what about for mixed fractions or mixed numbers? So let's try this example here. Let's have 1 and 1/3 plus 3 and 1/2. Now, in this case, i-convert muna natin isa-isa yung mixed number natin. So, to convert it, we use this. We multiply the denominator to the whole part there of our mixed number. So, this is 1 times 3, and then we add it to our numerator. Then we just copy the denominator. So since ang denominator natin dito is 3, so we will just copy 3, and then we will do the process. 3 times 1 is 3, and then plus 1, which is our numerator, is 4. So that will be, this is our converted mixed number, plus, so we're using addition. We will use the same process again. So just copy the denominator of the second mixed number, that is 2. And then we will multiply. We have 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7. So we have 7 over 2. So after which, we will use the same process. Okay, so we will multiply the denominator. So we have here 3 times 2 is 6. Then this, we multiply 4 times 2 is 8. Plus 7 times 3 is 21. So our answer is 21 plus 8 is 29 over 6. So this is our answer. Now let's have the fifth example. We have 5 and 1/2 minus 2 and 3/4. So again, we will convert each mixed number. So copy the denominator, and then we multiply the denominator by 5. So we have 2 times 5 is 10, plus 1 is 11. Minus 4 times 2 is 8, plus 3 is 11, and then the denominator is 4. So this is equal to, okay, we'll do the same process. Multiply 2 times 4 is 8. Then here, 11 times 4 is 44, minus 11 times 2 is 22. So the answer is 44 minus 22 is 22 over 8. Now in this case, as you can see, our denominator, two denominators here have common. Ito, this one and this one has like common, and the common is 2, right? This is the common number because 4 can be factored into 2 times 2. So it means we are going to divide both parts by 2, the numerator and the denominator. Hence, our final answer, we have 22 divided by 2 is 11, over 8 divided by 2 is 4. So, as simple as that. It's activity time. So, you can get your ball pen and paper, or you can answer it mentally. So, the first one is 2/3 plus 1/5. So I will give you 5 seconds to answer this problem. So the answer is 13 over 15. So by using the process discussed a while ago, to get the denominator of your answer, we multiply this one, so it is 15. And then this one is 10 plus the product of this is 3. So that's why we have 13 over 15. So the next is 4/3 minus 1 over 6. Okay, the answer is 7 over 6. So we have, okay, since 3 times 6 is 18, so we have 18, then we multiply it. This is 24 minus this one, 3. So 24 minus 3 is 21 over 18. Now take note, we have common number to our two denominators. So common is 3 because this is 3 times 2. So we divide both parts here by 3. So this is 21 divided by 3 is 7 over 6. So that's why we have 7 over 6. Next, we have mixed numbers, addition of mixed numbers. Okay, the answer is 41 over 10. So we will convert this one. We have 2 times 5 is 10 plus 3 is 13. So 13 over 5 plus 2 times 1 is 2 plus 1 is 3 over 2. So this is, if we multiply the denominator, we have 10. Then here we have 26 plus this one, 15. So this is equal to 41 over 10. So that's it. Nag-enjoy po ba kayo? If gusto niyo po ang video ito, please subscribe at i-click yung notification bell para maging updated po sa lahat ng simpleng talakayan sa larangan ng matematika. Thank you for watching. God bless everyone.